Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of SH2. It's a chemical formula of hydrogen sulphide, and for drawing its Lewis structure, we'll first look at the total number of valence electrons. We have one sulphur atom having 6 valence electrons and two hydrogen atom that has 1 valence electrons. That gives us a total of 8. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place sulphur atom in the center and then attach two hydrogen atoms to it. The arrangement of atoms is quite simple, and then we will place electron pairs for bond formation. Now both hydrogen atoms here has completed their outer shell, but sulphur still needs about 4 more electrons, and we do have 4 more electrons left. So let us assign them to sulphur. So this is the final structure of SH2, in which every atom has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.